We're all busy, so get ahead on busy weeknights by making Slow Cooker Saucy Chicken.
Here's the ingredients you'll need.
First of all, wash your hands and then spray your slow cooker with some nonstick spray. Then you're going to be adding 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs or drumsticks to your slow cooker bowl. Today I'm going to be using chicken thighs, and you're just going to line them across the bottom of your slow cooker. And if you touch raw chicken with your hands, always wash them again. In a medium-sized bowl, we're going to mix together 1 can of tomato paste. This is a 6-ounce can. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Then we're going to have a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic or 2 cloves, 1 teaspoon of minced onion, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 cup of chicken broth. And we're going to want to mix this together. I'm going to use a whisk until it's all combined. Okay, this is looking pretty good. And then we're just gonna cover our chicken thighs with the sauce. All right, we're gonna cook this on high for 3 or 4 hours or on low for 6 to 8 hours, making sure that our chicken is at 165 degrees before we eat it. Our saucy chicken is done. Let's plate it up. Oh, doesn't this look good? I wish you could smell it. Here we go. And that one didn't get much sauce on it, so we could add a little bit of sauce from the reserve. Now you could serve this with a side salad, maybe a little fruit, and have a complete meal.
Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.